back to my channel. It's a girl Helen Obidike. Welcome back. I miss you all so badly. So I'm in school. Like this is my last day in school, and I decided to make it useful. Like I've been in this school. I've been in University of Nigeria and Sugar for like 4 years, but due to ASU strike and all the UN stuff and all the Nigeria problem that we are facing, it's now 5 years. It's not easy. I need a round of applause for that. Yeah. So yeah, I heard that my department are going for a hangout. Will I say hangout or what? I think it's hangout. That is the main word to use. If I have another thing to say, I'll tell you. So they're going for a hangout, and I decided to go. Like, I will not miss this opportunity. Like, never will I miss it. Never in my life. Hello. So we have Adada Waterfall in Enugu here, and we're going there for our tourist something, like I said before. So I'll be going there, and I decided to take you guys along. You know, your girl, I'm too good. Like, I see you guys have to see another waterfall because I'm sure most of you have not seen a waterfall before. I haven't seen, so I'll use myself as an example. I haven't seen, so I'm taking you all there. I'll be vlogging a day in my life, and yeah, I'm not saying this is my live video there. So you all should stay tuned and enjoy this video. Do it to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video to people that need to see this because it's going to be so fun. Like, hello, you are. So let's go. Let me go get ready because it's actually today. So I need to like go prepare myself, look pretty. You all know the girly stuff. Yeah. Period. So guys, bye. So yeah, at this time we have already reached the location and we decided to take a view and see how it looks like. So these are my friends. They're ready to swim. I wasn't able to swim because I was having kata. I wasn't strong at this moment, so I decided to like just chill with them and play with the water while them do the swimming things.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? The pain is never gonna stop if it's